Okay, greeting guys, welcome back to another episode on your Dr. DIY channel. So in today's video, we are going to demonstrate to you on the upgrade of your Karcher water jet gun. Okay, upgrade on the gun, and we are going to review certain accessories which we just purchased with it, right? So the model involved is basically a K4, Karcher K4. You can see here, right? So this is the I made a video, a review on this pump, right? So this is the stock gun. You can see, this is the stock gun. Okay, the stock gun is not that ergonomic. You can see this is basically loose. Okay, this is a bit loose, so it is not nice to hold. There is no contour for the hand. Okay, and the holes always get a tangle. Okay, so the holes always get a tangle due to the fitting itself. You can see, Karcher, this is the fitting. Okay, you can see the fitting. So it is not a movable fitting. Okay, so you look when I put it in. Okay, so you see I'm going to assemble it now. When I assemble it, okay, so when I'm using the gun, when I keep turning the gun, this hose will get a tangle. Okay, it will get a tangle. You can see something like that. Okay, it will get a tangle because this hose is 20 meters long. So every now and then I have to correct it by simply rotating the gun and to get back the hose in the straight direction. Okay, so there is a solution. The solution is we are going to use a quick coupling method. So we are going to connect this to a quick coupling method, and we are going to change the entire gun itself. Okay, what is the quick coupling method? Basically, this is what you know as a quick coupling method. Okay, so in the event if you want to put in your nozzle, you just press in, put in and let go. So you can see you put in, let go. So this is called a quick coupling method. Okay, and it can rotate 360 degrees. So this is the concept we are going to use at this end of the hose. Okay, so with that we have purchased some accessories, okay, online for this model of water jet. Okay, K4 basic, Karcher K4 basic. So we got a trigger gun. Okay, so this is a trigger gun which is much more ergonomic because it's much more lighter. So you can see this is the stock and this is the new gun. Okay, the new trigger gun. If I put it here, you can see it is much more smaller, obviously, because it do not have the length. So it's just here, but it doesn't matter because we have the extender, right? So this gun comes with a quick coupling method. Okay, so this thing just goes there. So this adapter was also purchased, but there was some certain modification which we did. Okay, the copper brazing. So we are going to basically do a copper brazing. So this is the two components we are going to solder it together. Okay, so you can see this guy is supposed to go inside, so we are just going to grind a bit to go inside. All right. So we are going to use MACC gas. Okay, so this is the gas we are going to use. You can see, right? So we are going to use this gas to do a brazing, copper brazing, using a pure copper rod. So let's do that. here. So now this is going to connect to the hose. Obviously the hose we are going to cut and we are going to put it here. Okay, so we are going to cut the hose and we are going to put it here. Let's see. This thing can. Okay, so basically you can see they have already clipped here, so we are not going to take that. We're just going to cut somewhere here. So after cutting, so we have already pushed the hose in. As you can see, we have already pushed the hose into the quick coupler. So now we are just going to tighten it up. If we clip it to the new trigger gun, okay, you can see the hose will not get entangled because this thing is rotatable 360 degrees. So that is what actually we want, right? Then later on we are going to test the gun, and after testing the gun we are going to review this product. So this is basically a nozzle where you have one input, 4 output. So this is where you are going to clean the floor, okay, or undercarriage of your vehicle, okay, because it has 2 rollers. So this is also using a quick coupling method here. You can see these are the attachment or the accessories for Karcher K4 basic. Okay, so if you buy this water jet from Karcher, you will basically get the pump, you will get the gun, the trigger gun, you will get the dirt blaster, and also the normal spray. Okay, so let me just summarize now what have been done to this pump. Okay, so you also could do it because there are a lot of accessories available online. So first thing first, the gun has been converted to quick coupling. Okay, so this is already converted to quick coupling. So with that, originally it comes with only it comes with this type of connection. So this thing can be purchased. Okay, so this adapter basically it helps you to connect it to the quick coupling male. So this is the female, that is the male. Alright, and this is the newly developed, okay, trigger gun. Okay, so this is much more ergonomic and user friendly, okay, compared to that, the stock gun. Okay, you have a lock here. This is also quick coupling, but it's a bit bigger. Okay, that is a quick coupling but it's smaller. So this quick coupling will be able to adapt with all these attachments, right? However, this big part here, it is for the pipe, right? So the supply of water will basically go here. Now, originally this pipe, okay, the adapter looked like this because this is the original from Karcher itself. Okay, it looks like this. So we have removed it, we have cut, right? We have removed it and we have basically clamped it in a similar way. Okay, in a similar way like this. Okay, so this we did it in the hardware shop, right? So they clamped it because they have to use a hydraulic machine clamp to clamp this because this is a very high pressure hose. So after clamped it, so we have this quick coupling, right? So now this thing will be attached to the pump. Okay, this will be attached to the pump, and this will be attached to the new trigger gun. So you might be asking, what about the old trigger gun? So basically we cannot use this coupling for the old trigger gun because it doesn't fit. Okay, so what we have done is we have fabricated an adapter for it, right? So this adapter is very useful, whereby you just connect the coupling here and you reverse the hose. So this side now goes to the pump. Okay, it goes to the pump, and this one now goes to the gun, the old gun, right? So basically the old gun still can be used, right? It's just a matter of reversing the hose. Okay, so what we are going to review today is about this guy. So this was just purchased. The purpose of this is to basically wash your floor, your dirty floor, and it also can be used to wash the undercarriage of your car. This thing now is facing downwards. Okay, you can see it's facing downwards. But if I rotate it this way, okay, if I rotate it this way in such a way that it points upward, this is the way to actually wash your undercarriage of your vehicle. Okay, so before we wash our undercarriage, let's wash the floor. Okay, so let's put some dirt on the floor. Okay guys, so when it's subjected to the water, this is how it looks like. So let's see if we can wash the dirt away from the floor. So we are going to push the dirt. The objective is to push the dirt one side, right? So obviously we are going to turn this thing the other way around, right? So the angle now is at downwards. All the nozzles is downwards. So let's see if we can push the dirt away. So as you can see, it doesn't push the dirt away, right? Because we have blind spot. What is the blind spot is, basically we have a distance between these two nozzles, right? So there is no water between these two nozzles. So that is where the dirt will escape. Okay, as you can see. So due to that, the dirt will basically being pushed back towards you. I would say it's satisfactory. Okay, so I think from my review, it is not that effective in removing dirt from your floor. So now let's turn it the other way to wash undercarriage of the vehicle. Okay, so we are going to put this the other way now. Okay, so this is the way. Let's see how it is going to be when we wash undercarriage of the vehicle. So if you want to wash undercarriage, you just got to spray. You just got to go down. As you can see, so you can see the dirt. Okay, you can see underneath. So guys, from my review, this is a very good device to get if you are going to wash undercarriage of your car. So guys, till we meet again, have a nice day, enjoy yourself, and God bless you.